Hello students, today we will learn skin depth. Skin depth is the depth measured from the surface of the conductor at which the intensity of the electric field associated with the electromagnetic wave reduces to 37% of its value at the surface of the conductor. Skin depth in good conductors depend on the magnetic permeability and conductivity of the conductor, and also on the frequency of the current flowing on the surface of the conductor. Higher is the skin depth associated with a conductor, higher is the power loss. So in order to ensure a minimum power loss, we select a conductor which has a high magnetic permeability and a high conductivity. At the same time, the current flowing on the surface of the conductor should have a high frequency, or the frequency of the electromagnetic wave generated as a result of it should be high. Skin depth in poor conductors is independent of the frequency of the current flowing on the surface of the conductor. In poor conductors also, skin depth depends on the conductivity of the conductor sigma and the magnetic permeability of the conductor mu. In poor conductors, the skin depth also depends on the permittivity epsilon of the conductor. As the conductivity and magnetic permeability of poor conductor increases, the associated skin depth of the poor conductor decreases. Similarly, if we select a poor conductor with high permittivity, then its associated skin depth will be high. Let us consider an example. Calculate the depth of penetration delta at a frequency 71.6 MHz in aluminium. The parameters for aluminium are mu equal to mu naught equal to 4 pi into 10 minus 7 Newton per ampere square, and conductivity sigma is 3.54 into 10 raised to the power 7 Siemens per meter. In this question, we are given a conductor of aluminium with a known conductivity sigma. The frequency of the current flowing on the surface of this aluminium conductor is also known. So we also know the frequency of the electromagnetic wave generated as a result of it. So given the frequency of electromagnetic wave in aluminium as 71.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 Hz, permeability of material mu as 4 pi into 10 minus 7 Newton per ampere square, and conductivity sigma is 3.54 into 10 raised to the power 7 Siemens per meter. So substituting the value of frequency F, magnetic permeability mu, and conductivity sigma in the above equation, we can calculate the skin depth. So skin depth is worked out as 1 upon under root 3.14 into 71.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 into 4 pi into 10 minus 7 into 3.54 into 10 raised to the power 7. On solving, we get skin depth as 9.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meters, or 9.2 micrometers. From this, it is evident that if the frequency of the current flowing on the surface of the conductor is of the order of megahertz, then the skin depth produced inside the conductor by the attenuated electromagnetic wave is of the order of micrometers. On the other hand, if the frequency of the current flowing on the surface of conductor is low, then its associated skin depth with the conductor will be high.